Hi everybody, welcome back. So this afternoon I'm really excited because I've got a new toy. In case you hadn't noticed the elephant in the room, move over Thermomix. The Instant Pot has arrived. Well, I don't think it's going to be quite a case of move over Thermomix. Obviously, I absolutely adore my Thermomix. And as I understand it, these two become a match made in heaven. So from changing my diet to a plant-based diet, I found it a little bit tricky to introduce beans and legumes to my diet without having to spend hours and hours cooking them. So I heard about the Instant Pot and I just thought I've got to have one. Reason being is because they obviously do cook loads of different things, but they will cook your beans in a fraction of the time. So whereas you might normally have had to soak beans overnight and then cook them for what I hear is up to possibly 4 hours, which just sounds ridiculous and horrendous, in the Instant Pot you can reduce that cooking time down to 40 minutes, or in some cases, as I understand it, just 20 minutes, which is absolutely amazing. So like I said, I had to get myself an Instant Pot and try it out for myself. So I'm not getting rid of the Thermomix. The Thermomix, as I said, is going to be completely integral to all of my cooking, and I'm going to marry the two up wherever possible. So in future, my videos are either going to have the Instant Pot or the Thermomix or a combination of both. I'll make sure it's nice and clear in the title, so if you don't have an Instant Pot and you're not interested in seeing anything to do with Instant Pots, you don't have to click on the videos. But obviously, if you do have an Instant Pot or you are interested, then it would be in your best interest to check out the videos. I'm going to be making loads of interesting stuff and experimenting because I've never ever used an Instant Pot, and I'm really excited to find out what this baby can do. So as you might be able to read from the title, I've got the Evo, and I'm going to read from the box because this is how little I know about my Instant Pot. Okay, so what can the Instant Pot do for you? So it's a pressure cooker, it can sous vide, it can saute in the pan, it's a slow cooker, a rice cooker, food warmer, yogurt maker, cake maker, stock pot and steamer. So there are obviously a fair few similarities between the Thermomix and the Instant Pot, but I really do feel this is going to be a match made in heaven and I cannot wait to get started. So let's have a quick look and see what's in the box. Now I know these are really popular in America, and there's lots of French writing on here, so I'm guessing they're rather popular in France too. Okay, so this must be the sealant. And then here we go, all in one piece. Fantastic, look at that. There we have the Instant Pot and a rather thick set of instructions. So I'm not selling these Instant Pots as opposed to the Thermomix. I'm just going to be using this purely for pleasure. But what I can arrange for you is a one-to-one virtual demonstration should you want to. So as usual, contact me on the email address below. Make contact if you've got any questions about your Instant Pot, whether it's an Evo or a regular Instant Pot, and I will definitely do my utmost to help you once I've got my head around it, of course. I'm going to be making a minestrone soup this afternoon, so the video will be coming very shortly. Keep your eyes peeled for Instant Pot recipes. And please, please, please do subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. Give me some love. I'm really trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers. I'm just over 300 at the moment, and I would love to see that number rise. It would be amazing. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I hope you enjoy it. Take care now. Bye.